Hey guys, what's up? So today we're going to talk about Shutter Tuesday for iOS 11, 12, 13, and 14. The first tweak is called Shutter Sound Switch, powered with iOS 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13, and extension of the Shutter Sound and Screenshot Photos app. So basically, if the camera shutter sound does not sound, even if the setting is off, please boot the device. So you have screenshot flash, hide status bar, save the screenshot in JPG, and no recently deleted. The next tweak is called Chirp, and basically looking further for a sound for a source of mindfulness and improved well-being. This displays a wholesome reminder for a database of thousands directly in the dashboard. The next tweak is called Dual SIM Signal for Snowboard. Adds Dual SIM signal support for snowboard. This is called Safari Wallpaper. It's a wallpaper for the Home tab for Safari, like for Safari 14 on Mac OS. This is called Safari Plus, and basically this actually adds a lot of enhancements and features to Safari on your iOS device. So as privacy, you have these features here for privacy. You have features for uploads and downloads. You can upload and download any file. You download videos, usability, features. So you get a bunch of features you guys can read for yourself, and where you can do more, add more features to the Safari app. Gestures, customization. So supports iOS 8 13.7. Next tweak is called iPad Bar 13 and customize your status bar. This tweak is called YouTube Reborn, and actually it's a YouTube Plus alternative, so it's YouTube Customizer. So this version 1.0.6.5 actually now comes with a picture-in-picture mode for iOS 14 plus features. iOS 13 will may work with Plume Star's Force in Picture. This tweak is called Vitality and animated wallpapers. This is called Social Composer, quick and efficient way to use your social skills. You can easily, send tweets, write messages, emails, mails, wherever. Supports these social apps right here. The next tweak is called Redeb, and repackage any of your tweets locally without the need to download it from City again. So if you want to make a backup of the installed version, this allows you basically to do that. This tweak is called Cool CC, with iOS 14. This tweak makes your control center cool. Next tweak is called Rofi, and it's an app launcher tweak, simple, easy to use, accessible from anywhere. So you have these features right here for it. This tweak is called iAuto Reply, and it's awesome and smart tweak. Apply slow your iMessages and SMS automatically when you are busy. This tweak is called Notice Theft 3. And internet connection is needed. Every time you enter the tweak preferences panel to verify the license. So basically, let's just say you're having dinner at a restaurant and your phone is being charged on a bar somewhere. Someone comes by and snatches their phone, tries to run away with it. You have actually a lot of these. You have alarm feature, you have a lock screen features. So it's great if someone steals their phone. You can disable shutdown, custom alarms, save Wi-Fi, extra options. So if someone gets your phone stolen a lot, or you're in like a really just bad area where people might steal your phone, then this is a perfect tweak for you. So it has now added support for iOS 14. And this tweak is called Faint UI. This tweak is a theme called Faint UI, and that's what it looks like. And this tweak is called Jarvis, and basically this tweak is powerful multi-center. This is called Restriction and Guest Mode for iOS and iPad OS. So if you let someone use your phone, you can actually put guest mode, and it's like you could basically allow them to use certain applications. Or if you allow certain applications or apps or games to be, displayed on your phone, like displayed on your springboard, not your springboard, your home screen. So like your, on the background. So you can see this person turn off all these apps right here. This is called Home Screen Quick Action, actions. And control home screen quick actions on your device for iOS 13 above. This is called App Library Controller, control app library, iOS 14 above supports. This is called Lizard, Ultimate Reddit tweak with powerful features. You can access the tweak settings in the Reddit settings page. So you have post features, media features, and other features. This tweak is called Lion, and powerful tweak for Vesco app that can save images and videos. And the last tweak is called Ability, and basically customize your reachability window. So, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.